Jago moro ma bende hike nitiere e diere sani endi koro ne teko mar sitima ne ochwade gwenge mag skul mar Kameji Secondary School mantiere e Rongo e Migori County. E sama bende koro notemo mondo mi koro dwok sitima manyicha ne ong'ad kod Kenya Power and Lighting e yono endo ma en ataro mar chik. Wachore ni koro ne omiye tijno endo kod bende principal mar sikul endo migosi Gordon Muga bende koro nomiye thuolo endo mar tiyo tijno. Felix Okoth ne omi omenda madirom siling 500 kende bende kosani kono oyudo ka en godo kod ketho manendo maduoko sitimbe mabesa ni koro sebedo ka koro ing'ade gwenge go nikech bill mago eko mantiere malo. Kaluwore kod jogo eko magin jogweng' makuru endo ne giwacho ni sani endi nitiere stima mang'eny ahinya ma otude yorno endo magin ataro mar chik, kendo gikwayo mar mondo mi koro migawo mar weche mag somo donjie wachni mar mondo mi koro losi mondo mi koro jogo eko magin jopuonjre mani skul endo mar Kameji ngimagi odhi nyime mar somo e yono endo makare.
Principal ndiye alimpigia simu atafutwe akuje kuconnect hiyo stima, sababu watu ambao walikata stima. Ndipo sasa alikuja kufanya hiyo kazi akakwama hapa. Na laumu principal sababu naona hapa ni compound ya shule. Angekuwa na ruhusa ya kuingia ndani ya shule na kufanya kazi kama hii bila kudhibitiza ruhusa kwa principal. Inamaanisha kwamba aliitwa.
Charles Odhiambo, and on behalf of the Odhiambo's family, we are saddened by this death, but we have decided to take a position. While the Kenya Power and the police are doing their part, we as a family will demand for answers from the school's administration, because it worries. How can a layman come into the school's compound on a broad daylight to come and connect what the Kenya Power did? That is an explanation that we will want to get from the school's administration and in details. And did they look at the papers? The boy is not having papers. How did he reach the school compound to come and connect what the Kenya Power disconnected? It's an explanation that it will take us decades to reach to the bottom of. Because as a family, we will be demanding for it. There is a guy they have employed in the school who deals with electricals. He came and called. The wife was there, there were witnesses. He's the one who called. And messages reached us as a family that they negotiated that he's going to be paid 500. That is what has caused the death. What bill was the school having that it could not pay? What bill was this school having that it couldn't pay? That has caused as a family member. It's illegal. What can you term it? He's not a Kenya Power practitioner. He's not a qualified electrician. Doing it in a school compound, this is illegal. Kenya Power disconnected it. If they disconnect, even in your own home, do you call somebody to come and connect it? Or you call the Kenya Power, they come and connect it? So, as a family, we will demand for answers as to what happened here.
I'm the area chief John Agoro of North Kamagambo location. At around 1:30 p.m., I got a report from the principal of Kameji Secondary School, that one by name Felix Okoth Odoyo, was electrocuted when he was trying to reconnect the power, which the Kenya Power disconnected because of non-payments of the bill. So I came to the school plus my lesson chiefs. I talked with the principal. I went to the scene and found really that Felix Okoth Odoyo has died.
Look at the school's connection, electrical. Whatever has been done in most of the classes are very risky. And in the dormitories, these students are at risk. Because these quacks are involved every now and again. These quacks are involved in a connection. So, after this one has been dealt with, let Kenya Power look at what has been connected in the entire school, so that other students, he should be dead, but other students should not die again.